what's gonna happen, Dan. I know everything that's gonna happen.
You don't know everything.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Like that scene from Fired Up.
It wasn't a guess.
Right, you're a mind reader. Cut it out. Sam? You think you're being quite
Childish.
Oh my gosh. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Oh, it's all blurry.
This is dog teeth chattering with her.
I think so too, but you know, it works. It works. Cause it was.
Hey, this is the first ever Castiel lights I've ever seen.
They're real?
Yeah, those are real. Whoa, man, whoa.
This chair I'm sitting on was the bench that Castiel was sitting on when he was talking to Dean with the umbrella opened, where Lisa's at, or Kathy's at.
Lisa.
And Dean gave Castiel the aspirin, and he's like, "How much should I take?" She's like, "For you?"
Probably the whole bottle.
Yes. So this holy bench of goodness. It is the Misa bench. It's a Misa bench.
Oh
My lips are numb. Okay, now.
That's all, folks?
Yeah. Oh wow, you. Oh.
Funny enough, there's a liquor store right over there.
Okay, so now we're gonna go run really quick to the dock where Dean tells Sam about what Daddy Winchester said, that he might have to kill him. Remember? Remember?
Yes.
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 And I love how just like four. Oh yeah, and Crow in the doctor's office.
And the song remains the same.
Huh? Oh, where they turn up with all the old cars and Cass is on the ground, he's spitting up blood.
Oh, right.
And
I'll show you.
He offered me weed.
What? There's a bar here, or a store here that was used as a bar in one of the episodes.
Here? At Supernatural?
I'm like 99% positive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and then, is this the house right here again?
Yeah.
This is the house from, which one? For sale, I want to buy it. Haunted, excuse me, where the kid electrocutes his kitty. Meow! Meow, kitty, meow.
The man with the yellow eyes tells him.
Oh, the man with the yellow, yes, indeed. And that is
Back to the
not a house of importance, but it could one day be. Very well. And so, yes, going to the place where Dean and then Sam are drinking the beer and... Oh, didn't we have to wait like a month and a half to see what happened after that?
Yeah. No, that was the Christmas break.
Oh, that's right, Christmas break. Evil. Not as evil as this effing break. Okay, sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, before it gets too dark... Hello, ladies. Get closer. Caitlin. Kathy. Lisa. Karen. Oh! Okay, so... Oh, man, it's dark. Okay, we are going now... I don't know if it looks familiar.
Can you see
Yeah. It's good. To the...
tree in the back.
Where are you going? Don't follow the light. It's so beautiful. Okay. This tree and the post in the dock is where Dean tells Sammy, as they're drinking beers, what Daddy Dearest told to Dean before he died, that I have to save you, and if I can't, I'll have to kill you. Oh man, it's almost too dark. Why can't...
Summertime.
Okay. This should work! Good thinking, Lisa! Yeah! Okay. This right here. So good! Here. Well, sort of. So good. Yeah. Get over here. Were they standing here or down here on the walkway? Oh my gosh. I'm going down! Okay. So this, right here. I'm on the, and that. Oh fudge, it's too dark! I think he's leaning like this. For sure. Dean, oh, he has a bottle of beer. Dean, what did he tell you? Dad said, before he died, that I had to save you, Sammy. Save me? What does that mean? I don't know. Oh, I'm doing it backwards! Well, what does that mean, Dean? I don't know. Well, does he think I'm going to go dark side or something? I don't know. And then he said, if I couldn't save you, I'd have to kill you. He said I'd have to kill you, Sammy. End scene. The end. The end. Love you, Supernatural. Love you so much. I sound crazy. The end.
What? 3 minutes, 4 minutes what? 4 minutes what?
Am I standing up there and posing? Oh, okay.
You're a candid camera. Sorry, I have a Twitch. Give me that. Hey, how do you get that to work? Camera. Well, Caitlin, I'd say that was successful. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And scene. Goodbye. Oh.
We literally are right
I love you. I love it. I love it.
Are you filming everything?
Everything.
Oh my god!
Are you gonna?
Take that.
Oh, yeah.
My mom doesn't believe me that there are people out there as crazy as I am when it comes to Supernatural.
There are.
Yeah.
Actually, there aren't. You're just weird. I'm just kidding.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're just lucky that we don't have to travel thousands of miles.
I know, right?
Hey, it's only 650.
Okay. I'm never gonna be as feisty as Justin Bieber. What the hell?
The gummies are possessed! The gummies are possessed!
Only black shit.
Yeah, it was.
And that was the perfect part to come into.
Oh my god. So what happened?
She just got a gummy worm.
And the fly flew by.
The fly.
It looked like someone bounced out of you. Why are you guys eating fly worms? Sorry, I just put my stars.
You're gonna catch now.
Oh, sorry. I want worms now. Scatter bomb.
At least they don't stink when they rot.
Why don't you you just passed me one.
Yes, it's so cute, and it's not even scratched yet. Almost.
Who?
The car.
Oh.
The lanes here are so much more narrow than the States. It's ridiculous. I was so scared.
And we have parking lanes.
What's that?
It's a lane, but people can park in it.
What?
I know. No.
Oh, good look.
Well, we have pedestrian-controlled crosswalks.
Well, that's good. People just hit people.
No, it's a green flashing light.
Nice. I'm just trying to remember all the stuff that
I know. I was driving here, and I'm like, what is this? What is this? What are the arrows? What do the blinking arrows mean?
I'm not exactly the best person to ask. I didn't exactly pass my end test, so she's asking me, what does the flashing light mean? I'm like, it means go.
No, it's grass. No, it's
Flashing green is pedestrian crossing. Yeah,
it's a pedestrian-controlled light. So, no, it's not any light, any time. It's the pedestrian has to hit the button.
And then it'll go solid, and then it'll go yellow, and then red. Yeah, be warned that it could be turning red soon, basically.
They don't have those in the
But what's flashing yellow?
Caution.
Caution, yeah. Okay,
no.
Flashing red is like no.
Oh no, yellow is speed up, isn't it?
Yeah. I know this stuff, but I don't have a license.
It was pink. We're good.
When my friend's family got hit, the guy was like, the light was blue.
What?
What?
At that point, you're like, okay, buddy, we'll just call the doctor and you'll be dead.
Want
another one?
It's going over my head.
Jenny, I'll get
No.
for her.
I'll do underhand. Yeah. Okay. It's probably going to go over your head or something. It's not me, it's you. You can pass.
Okay, little here, one. Here, let's watch this. What's the fun?
I don't think it's us, it's you.
Ready? No, wait, we have to try catching them with our mouth.
Change like this is better. Here you go.
I didn't even expect to.
This is what I saw.
Try to catch it. Try to catch it.
I couldn't see that. Try to catch it. Whoop. Wait, do that again. I can't see those colors.
I'm sorry.
Black is good. Black is good.
Your face.
That's hilarious. Struck moment. Black beat of death. Okay.
You good?
My mouth is like laughing. So
you good? What does that mean?
Her mouth is laughing. Come on. Go ahead. Filming, of course.
No. No, you're not as gullible as I am.
Throw it at the dog.
Lucky
Right
it. You're good at keeping. You're so bad at that game.
You lose.
Anybody want to throw? Lucky. No, I'm good. Soda.
No. No, thanks.
Oh, Lucky.
No one was watching. I did it. Not this close either. I did it.
What was that?
Heather, pass me one. I'll try for...
Come and get them so they don't go all over.
Ready? What? Oh, disgusting. Ready?
Yeah.
You have to kiss it with your mouth.
Are they rotten?
Well, I can do it with my hands. You're sad. I'm not gonna...
It's gone.
It's nasty.
I'm gonna try to pass it with my mouth.
Okay. Oh, I see. Gotcha.
Yep.
We're putting them all over your house, Lisa.
Oh, Lucky, you'll find it.
You think wait till next Easter and go find them. Maybe a fun game for you. Yay.
Okay, Kirk.
What?
I did it with Heather watching me at least.
Yes, I thought you never happened.
I was never born? What?
You
never have. I'm so confused right now.